Hello to all my Love and Jones family. I am back with another video. I wanted to share with you guys how I make my popcorn. If you a popcorn lover like I am and you cannot eat as much as you would like because all the butter and salt that comes in with the microwave popcorn, well, I am here to share with you guys a low carb homemade popcorn do it yourself way that I do my popcorn. So what I do is, and my kids also love it. This is a 1/3 serving. I always keep this in my bowl, and you just take any kind of seed and fill it up to half a, little under 1/3, I guess you can say. And you just put it in a paper bag. You can use any kind of paper bag. If you got Walgreens prescription paper bag, you can use anything that's paper bag. Just make sure there's no metal or anything like that. Now I'm using one hand, so I already got some popcorn seeds in this one. So make sure your bag is tight and rolled up just a little to get the popcorn going. Don't add no butter, no oil, and you just pop this baby in your microwave. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Okay guys, as you can see, I done laid my bag in my microwave. So I'm finna get ready to start popping. Okay guys, I have an older microwave, so my microwave, I'm not going to use the popper symbol. I'm just going to put it on uh, 2 minutes. So look at it go. I'll be back when it starts popping, guys. Okay guys, it's starting to pop as you can hear. And I love making my own popcorn because I have the control of the salt and butter I would like on my popcorn. So, and it's saved me a lot of money. So it's almost done. Okay, my popcorn is all done, you guys. So like I said, it's a lot healthier than that microwave popcorn. And you see I still have some seeds left, so if I wanted to, I can just pop it back in. And you control your butter intake and your salt intake. That's another healthier way to eat popcorn. Let me know if you try this. Thank you all for watching. Take care.